Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting throat posture. Relax jaw, lower tongue slightly, and keep lips parted a hair, about 0.5 cm. You inhale through the nose to fill lower lungs because steady airflow is what creates the high-pitched hum. Then you position the tongue tip behind the lower front teeth to narrow the oral channel. This concentrates the airstream. Once done, exhale evenly and start a gentle, sustained hiss. This is the bass tone you will sculpt into the hummingbird call. You now shape resonance by forming a small lip aperture. Pucker subtly, not tightly, so airflow speeds up and the tone rises. Simultaneously, use short, rapid bursts of breath to add the characteristic trill. Practice bursts of 0.15, 25 seconds to mimic wing beats. Make fine adjustments. Raise the back of the tongue to increase pitch and vary throat tension to change timbre. As you practice, blend continuous hum with rhythmic pulses. This combination produces the illusion of a tiny, flutter. You finish by refining timing and consistency. Practice short sessions of 2-3 minutes, then record to compare pitch and rhythm. If the sound is breathy, make the lip aperture smaller and direct the airflow more narrowly. If it sounds flat, lift the tongue slightly or increase airflow velocity. Make micro adjustments to burst length to perfect trill speed. Finally, rest and hydrate between attempts to avoid strain. If tension persists, pause and reset the jaw and breathing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.